welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this hairstyle as well as open box review. This is what I used to curl my hair. Please keep watching. So I bought this from Amazon and it is a 3-rod curling iron. So I'm gonna try it out today and let you guys know how it is on my hair. This is the first time I'm using this. I've never used it before. I've never used this type of curling iron before, so this is definitely my first time. So I don't know how it's going to look in my hair. So let's see how it is. This was $45 Canadian. So I'm just gonna open it. Open both sides. So I'm just taking it out. This is what it looks like. So it has 3 rods and a clamp. It has a thing. What is this called? Let me see what it's called. I think it's called a steel stent right here. So it's pretty good because then you just put it on your desk. You won't touch the desk. So I'm just gonna plug it in now. I still got a towel and I'm just gonna put it on my desk. I still want my table to be safe. And right when I plug it in, this light turns on, but it still says off. So I'm just going to turn it on. So right when you turn it on, it's at 180 degrees. And it goes all the way up to 210, which isn't that hot, but it's still hot. But I'm sure this is still going to work. There are some curling irons that go up to 340 or even 400. But this one, I'm just gonna keep it at, 180. So I'll let that heat up. I'm just gonna go ahead and start brushing my hair. I'm gonna go in with my heat protectant spray called Joico K-Pack. This is what I normally use in my videos. How's everyone doing during the lockdown, the quarantine life? What are you all doing? Comment down below, let me know what you're doing. If you're doing new activities at home, learning new things like cooking, baking. I know 2020 isn't what we expected it to be like, but this is what it is. We just gotta move forward. So now I parted my hair and I just parted half of it up. So I'm gonna go on and start waving my hair. It feels pretty hot. Like I can feel the heat from this far. So I'm just gonna lower it down. And I took a really big section of my hair. I'm gonna take this much and I'm gonna try it out. There's like 3 barrels, so I'm sure this is going to wave really nice. So I'm just gonna try it out. I'm kind of scared. I don't know which way. Scared. Okay, well, I'm gonna start off with this much first. This is it's pretty hard to press. I'm assuming you do it this way. I don't know, I'm scared. Let me read instructions first. So please read these instructions before using it. You need to read instructions before using it. The max temperature is 210 degrees Celsius. The lowest temperature is 160 degrees Celsius. You can choose accordingly to your requirements. You can use the suitable temperature after several minutes. So it doesn't show how to use it. It just shows how to plug it in, and it just shows caution, procedures and stuff. So I'll just try it. The 2 barrels on each side, they move, but the one in the middle stays put. I don't know how to do this. I'm scared. Oh my god. Okay, I have to look at the mirror. So I'm doing this, as you see. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna just wait like 5 seconds? Was that 5 seconds? It curls a little bit. It's a little wave. Maybe I leave it on longer. Oh. Okay. Let me try again. So I'm just gonna leave it on a little longer. I'm so scared I'm gonna burn myself. If you're going to try this at home, please be careful. This is really terrifying for me right now. I don't use this tool, so this is really new to me. So I will take it out. So this temperature is at, what? Why say lock? It says lock. I don't know why, but LOC, lock. It's at 150. I'm trying to bring it up, and it's when I press the up button, it says lock. Is that normal? Did I already break it? Does that, like, how did I lock it? It doesn't say. So, well, this is what it looks like first. It's a nice wave. I'm wondering, like, how did I lock it? Even when I press the power button, it says lock. I don't know. If anyone knows, please help me out. Okay, so next I'm going to, this is really hard to press. You need to be strong for this thing. Look at that. Okay, next I'm going, oh my god, I'm scared. This thing is hard. Next is this one. I'm going to put it right beside where I left the bump. And I'm gonna leave the ends straight. Please like this video right now if you like that I'm struggling. There we go. Not bad. I like it. It's different. It's a nice wave. Okay, so I'm gonna try another section of my hair. Scared. So I'm gonna leave it on for about 10 seconds, I guess. And the temperature is at 150, and for some reason I can't bring it up. So I'm just gonna leave it on longer because it's not really curling my hair if I leave it on for like 1 to 2 seconds. 1 to 2. 1 and 2. Alright, I hope I'm doing this right. Let me know if you guys have a curling iron like this. Curling iron, or like a waver iron. And let me know what brand it is, and let me know if it's good. I'm gonna try it out. Oh my god. I thought I almost burnt my shoulder. So I got a new ring light and a new mic finally. So hopefully you can all hear me clearly. Oh, I forgot.
Bruh.
Oh. There. I'm dying a little bit inside. I'm scared. I'm really scared right now. I have to keep doing this so I can get used to the form of holding this. There. Oh, nice. One, 2, 3, 4. Ready or not, here I go. Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh my god. I keep getting scared because this thing here keeps touching my shoulder, so I'm scared it's gonna get hot. I'm scared I'm gonna burn myself. It's not even hot, but it scares me because I always think this has touched me. Maybe I should leave it up just in case, so you know it's not going to burn me. I might actually burn myself with this, so having this will just guard it from burning myself. Good idea. I don't know if that's why they did it too, but it's my idea, I guess. Next are my big layers, so I don't know how I should do this. Guys, follow me on TikTok. It's Mitch Lopez XO. I just posted a video today. It's so hard to tell which isn't wavy and which one is. God, I almost dropped it. Okay, so another one, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Comment down below and let me know what videos you want to see me do, especially like hair care. If you want to know how to take care of your hair at home, different ways, different DIY stuff, just let me know and I'll do it. I'd like to hear different ideas from you guys. I'm getting used to this now. I'm getting used to holding it and opening the clamp. It was just terrifying when I first tried it because I've never done this before, so you guys are seeing my first reaction, my review about it. It's kind of looking like after you braid your hair. This is definitely like a faster way of waving your hair, because some people use straighteners and then they do like the wave where you go like just have to be really careful doing this. My phone died, so I had to charge it. The show must go on. So I ended up figuring out how to bring the temperature up. The reason why it wasn't working is because if you hold down the button, you can't see it, but if you hold it down, it will lock. I put it up to 170 and then I'm going to lock it. So now it says lock. I'm just going to finish my hair. I'm gonna do this side again. I keep pressing the button. That's probably why you can lock it. Ooh, top. So it does get really hot, like a little bit. It should be fine. So I'm just gonna leave it in for a little bit since I brought the temperature up. I just burnt my ear a little bit. Yeah, definitely new at this. So now I'm on my last section. And I'm going to bring it up higher. Go. Looks good. So I parted it already. I normally part it on my right side. How do I do this? Oh my goodness. So grab it. There we go. I did it. Might need to go over that again. I don't know if it worked. Nope. Not really. Alright, So this is what it looks like. This is my first time using this curling iron, so I really like how it turned out. I did buy this off Amazon. There are other tools that cost a lot more, like around $100 to $200. This is definitely worth getting. Just gotta get used to holding it and trying to put your hair through this. It's worth the 45 bucks. I am going to keep doing this hairstyle. I'm gonna get used to holding it. First time I tried it, I was scared. I will leave the link down below so you can check it out. If I want to change it up, I can leave it half up. I'm going to just add oil, the usual oil that I use, babyless oil. So now you just hold it down and it will turn off. It says off, so it still shows a light. Oh, it's so hard to see. It still shows a light, but it says off. So you just gotta make sure it's completely off and just unplug it. Simple. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my video, like this video. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what styles you want to see me do. Let me know how your quarantine day is going. I'll be back with more videos on Mondays and Wednesdays, so please share your video ideas so I have more ideas to do. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. How do I do this?